Is Mars really red? When you see Mars in the night sky, it definitely has a reddish tint to it. People have been noticing that for a long time. Even the ancient Egyptians called Mars the Red One. So where does that redness come from? Well, a lot of rocks on Mars are full of iron, and when they're exposed to the great outdoors, they oxidize and turn reddish, the same way an old bike left out in the yard gets all rusty. When rusty dust from those rocks gets kicked up in the atmosphere, it makes the Martian sky look pink. From a long way away, the whole planet looks kind of reddish, but if you get a close-up view, with an orbiter, lander, or rover, you'll see that a lot of Mars is actually more of a butterscotch color. Depending on what minerals are around, some landscapes can be more golden, brown, tan, or even a little greenish. So in fact, there are a lot of different colors on what we call the red planet.
How exciting would it be to be part of a group of students who actually use a spacecraft to conduct their own science investigation at Mars? It sounds like science fiction, but it's science fact. It's called the Mars Student Imaging Project, and it's open to student classrooms grades 5 through college. One group of middle school students even discovered a cave on Mars. Dream of exploring Mars one day? Students can use their imagination to design their own community on Mars in the Imagine Mars project. Got a question about Mars, maybe a homework assignment, and you need a little help? Try asking Dr. C. For instance, you can ask him how big Mars is, and he'll give you the answer. Mars is only half the size of Earth. If you're a teacher and looking for lesson plans and activities to assist you in the classroom, check out the downloadable Mars Activities. It's where you'll find a wealth of ideas about how to engage your students. If you want to explore Mars on your own, you can be a Martian. At this internet site, you can explore many aspects of Mars, or you can contribute to a better understanding of the red planet by participating in what's called citizen science, by helping to create a Mars map, count craters, tag rover images, and more. If you just want some electronic playtime, there's Mars 3D, actual images of Mars taken by NASA spacecraft in 3 dimensions. Speaking of 3D, check out the brand new Explore Mars website where you can roam around in 3D. If you have an Xbox, you can try your own skill at landing on Mars. As a free download, students can also learn to be a rover driver and make their own discoveries in a new NASA Mars experience with Kodoo, a new visual programming language accessible for children and made specifically for creating games. Want to fly to Mars aboard Curiosity? Try out Eyes on the Solar System. And don't forget, you can get the latest on Martian discoveries anytime, anywhere, on Be a Martian mobile apps on all devices, Android, iPhone, and Windows Phone. Plus, look for Mars information on your favorite social media sites, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. There are many ways you can learn about the red planet and all about the NASA missions there. Mars, it's all about learning.